context intelligence is probably the most important intelligence, in the sense that if you don't know where you are, you're in big trouble. And if you don't know where you want to go, as the old saying goes, if you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there, right? So in order to have a strategy that really means something, you have to have a sense of your desired outcome. And then, as I've tried to demonstrate over and over, context intelligence translates into literally scores of learnable, teachable proficiencies for both individuals as well as teams, as well as organizations. So it's not just saying be more contextually aware, it's actually putting into practice a number of the different tools and methods. But I would say they're all important. An organization without a moral compass is just, a money-making machine, which is, the old notion of enhancing shareholder value as the rationale for finance and the rationale for the organization. If you don't have an emotionally intelligent leadership, you're not going to keep great people. You're not going to have a humane organization. If you don't have technological intelligence, you're going to be outperformed by any one of a number of competitors. You're just going to be left behind. If you don't have generative intelligence, you can't create that bridge from here to tomorrow to the desired future. And if you don't have a transformation agenda, you're going to flounder around in terms of trying to make your organization keep pace with what it needs to do. So I think they're all pretty fundamental. But I would start with, and in the executive education I do, when I reduce the 6 intelligences to an executive program, I start with contextual intelligence, because I think that is the best place to begin the journey.